Welcome to our lesson on a fundamental concept in geometry, the locus. In this video, we will explore what a locus is, which is the set of all points that satisfy a certain condition. So, what exactly is a locus? In geometry, a locus is a collection of points that all share a common property or follow a specific rule. You can imagine it as a path traced by a point that moves according to a given set of conditions. The word locus itself comes from the Latin word for a place or location. Let's start with a classic example. The condition is the set of all points that are a fixed distance away from a single, central point. This distance is called the radius. What shape does this path create? It forms a circle. Every point on the edge of a circle is exactly the same distance from its center. Now, what if our condition is to find all points that are the same distance from two different fixed points? The path formed by this rule is a straight line right down the middle, known as a perpendicular bisector. Any point on this line is equidistant from the original 2 points. Imagine two lines that cross each other, forming an angle. The locus of points that are equidistant from both of these lines is called an angle bisector. This is a ray that cuts the angle exactly in half. Any point on this bisector is the same perpendicular distance from the two original lines. Consider a straight line. The locus of all points that are a specific, fixed distance away from this line results in a pair of parallel lines. One line is on each side of the original line, and both are perfectly parallel to it. Things get interesting when the conditions change slightly. A parabola is the locus of points that are equidistant from a fixed point, called the focus, and a fixed line, called the directrix. This unique relationship creates the familiar U-shaped curve of a parabola. The concept of a locus isn't just theoretical, it's all around us. GPS systems use the intersection of spherical loci from satellites to pinpoint your location. The orbits of planets are elliptical loci defined by gravity, and the parabolic shape of a satellite dish helps focus signals to a single point. We can also combine different conditions. A compound locus is the set of points that satisfy two or more locus rules at the same time. The solution is found where the individual loci intersect. For example, the intersection of a circle and a line gives us the specific points that lie on both paths. To sum up, a locus is simply a set of points that obey a specific rule. We've seen how this simple idea can define everything from circles and lines to parabolas. Understanding loci is key to grasping how shapes are formed and related in geometry. It's a powerful tool with applications far beyond the classroom.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.